Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture from your account settings. uh, Easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and here as you see you'll find personal details. Click on it. Now click profile, click here, and here as you see you'll find profile picture. Click on it, and here you can choose any picture you want from your gallery, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.